Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah. I've got two questions for you today. For you, yes, you. First up, how did you find me? How did you find my YouTube channel or my Instagram or my Facebook? And when did you find me? And I thought we'd have a little bit of fun with that today because YouTube sent me a notification saying I've got a little milestone to celebrate, which is 15 million views of the videos that I've made since I started here on YouTube, which was back in 2016. So I've been making YouTube videos for quite a few years, and today I thought it'd be fun to find out how did you find me? Were you recommended by a friend? Did I just kind of pop up in your feed? And over the years I've made a lot of different things. Many of you found me back in 2016. I was one of the first making Flylady videos. I have a lot of American people who found me because of a video about making æbleskiver, Danish Christmas donuts, funnily enough. Also, over the years, I've had a lot of people started following because of the content that I do about hygge, you know, the art of hygge here in Denmark, about life in Denmark. And then, of course, there's all the other fun stuff that I like to do here. Winterbathing, sea swimming, the Bluetits, dressing your truth. Some of you who were with me from the beginning, from 2016, you've probably seen that I look a bit different now than I did then. Hopefully you agree with the changes. A lot of people were not happy in the beginning when I changed my style a bit. So have you just found me? Have you been following me for years? And I know a lot of you have been watching for a long time, and you know I have some little kind of catchphrases that you've started using. Scoosh scoosh, you know, when I'm doing my cleaning, or get up off your behuke. Behuke is the Scottish name for your bottom, so get up and moving. When things are really difficult, I tell you to keep on putting one foot in front of the other, or one pom-pom in front of the other, you know, my rah-rah-rah with the pom-poms. And I do my live long and prosper, may the Danish hygge be with you. I say that at the end of my videos. And there was a funny story about that once when one of the ladies who watches me here, she didn't know what hygge was. And she thought I was saying, may the Danish sugar be with you. So anyway, I've had a lot of fun comments over the years. There's also been some not so pleasant comments over the years. That's the downside of social media. But hopefully you won't see too many of those. There are good filters in place with YouTube that kind of weed out the really abusive or strange comments. But on the whole, I just love making these videos. Also, I'm really touched by the comments that I continue to get from many of you who say I've helped you through perhaps the death of a loved one, through hard times. So just know that I really I appreciate the kind words. And I'm not going to get all teary here. And breathe. And as you know, I don't use any fancy equipment. I've got a little tripod, folding tripod, and I use my phone, my smartphone. I use that to record, and that's if I make any changes. I do all my editing on my telephone, so I'm very kind of old school and old fashioned in that way. I don't sell you stuff, I'm not charging you for anything, I don't do sponsored content. The aim of my channel here is to encourage you, to inspire you, to lift you up if you're kind of dragging your feet sometimes, and help you to implement some simple routines so that we can really enjoy living with less stuff and get the maximum joy out of our lives. And I should just also say thank you to all my friends, because my friends feature heavily in my videos. They've been really good about, you know, working along with me on that. So thank you to all my friends, and thank you to everybody who's watching. And if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do now. And oh, and just for fun, I thought I would run the very first Shine Your Sink video that I ever made on YouTube. So I will run that now. Lady Diane here. This is me shining my sink. I take my favourite cleaner, one that smells of orange and rosemary, quick spray, I take the old cloth that I've been using during the day and I wipe down the surface around the sink, around the top. Here we are. The inside of the sink, the bottom. This one goes in the wash, a new one comes out, and Bob's your uncle, we're all done. You can do it. Go shine your sink. It's the beginning of your fly journey. And since it's the month of June, cheers with a glass of water. Bye. So it looks slightly different, but the message is just the same. You can do it. Just join me and get up off your bahookie. Anyway, let me know. How did you find me? When did you find me, or where did you find me? Just a little reminder that I will be doing Ready, Set, September. That's coming up soon. And we're going to be doing something a bit different this year, because you know I like to keep it kind of fresh and motivational. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper, and may the Danish hygge be with you. Yeah, we're still having the heat wave here. And I shall see you very soon with a wrap. Okay, bye for now.